Hey guys, I got a regular old household dehumidifier here. I'm gonna rip this thing apart real fast. Coil in there's motor, electric motor, and some wiring, and there's another coil back here. There is no Freon in this one. The gas is out of it. That's why I'm gonna just cut the lines on it. But I'll show you a little bit as we go. Alright guys, the case is off now. See, you got two coils right there. You got a little compressor down here in the bottom. A little bit of wiring in the control box. Let me pull these all out and I'll show you the little pile that we get out of these. Got these couple screws right here. One, two. There's one there, that was three I took out. And number four right there. Same thing on the other side, and these coils will come right out. Let me get them out. Alright guys. That dehumidifier is all apart. You got one piece of the case right back there. Top cover. Here's the whole frame of the unit with nothing in it. Here you got the copper aluminum radiators that came out of it. Electric fan motor. Compressor. That's got copper inside there. And you got a nice little pile of wire here. So, like I said, this one was empty. It had no gas in it. Actually, if you could look right down here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. But right underneath here, this was leaking. Had a hole in the copper pipe. So that's why it was in the scrap pile. That's why we picked it up from the company where we got it. And it was empty, so we didn't have to pump it down. If you guys are after silver, inside these little switches here, there's a couple silver tabs of silver. You can bust it open. It's not a lot, but if you're saving your silver, there's a little bit in there for you. And the winding inside this motor here, that is copper. It's not aluminum. I scratched it on one of these sides already. So that might be a motor we cut apart. I'll show you that in another video, how we cut them apart and get the copper out. I got a few more of these units to do. So let me get them done, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.